Today we're making a Valentine's card using the Cricut Joy and Dollar Tree insert cards. For this card, I'm using the Cricut Design Space app, and I started with a square shape and made it a guide based on the card dimensions. Then I found an image I liked and added some text. I will list the image number and text font down below if you're interested in that. And once I made sure everything fit within the guide, I went ahead and removed it. Then I decided I wanted to add some text inside the card as well. This is going to be a super simple design, quick and easy, and you can make it in a few minutes. Now, once the design is all set, don't forget to set the operation type to writing or draw and select the pen type or marker if you're going to use a marker. And once you hit make it, click on material load and change it to on card mat. Check out the video link on screen if you're curious about these insert cards from Dollar Tree, but they are the exact same size as the Cricut ones, just for a lot cheaper. I'm going to start with the inside design, so I flipped the card inside out and placed it in the card insert mat. I'm using my Cricut Joy fine point pen, and we're just going to follow the prompts and let the machine do the writing and cutting. Then we just go ahead and flip it out and continue to follow the prompts. These cards are so simple and easy to make. And the last step is to add the insert card, which I'm using the red one. This comes with gold as well in the kit. And I'm just going to use some double-sided tape, just placing that all around the edge of my card. And just don't make the same mistake as me and account for where the cutout is, because I had to lift up the bottom there and just remove that tape, but that was an easy fix. So here is the final look of our card. Go ahead and leave a heart in the comments if you like Valentine's crafts, and subscribe for more crafty fun.